Okay, so now we are going to start with the printed circuit board. An electronic equipment is a combination of electrical and electronics component connected to produce a certain designed functions. In the era of vacuum tubes and even later, the electronic components were constructed by hand wiring and by point-to-point soldering. The wires were stripped of their insulation, tinned and soldered. Each discrete component was installed by hand, electrically and mechanically. The equipment was obviously large, awkward and bulky. It was difficult to meet the demanding requirement for the use of this equipment in aircrafts, the health sector and the home emergency uses, thereby necessitating the development of smaller and the more compact electronic equipment. A natural evolution took place in the several areas. Smaller components were developed and modular design became popular, basically intended to decrease the time between unit failure and the repair to easy replaceability. The use of miniaturization and the sub-miniaturization in electronics equipment design gave birth to a new technique in inter-component wiring and assembly that is popularly known as the printed circuit board. So the printed circuit board provides both the physical structure for mounting and the holding electronic component as well as the electrical interconnection between components. So the printed circuit board is usually abbreviated as PCB and quite often referred to as a board. However, in the USA the term PWD, printed wiring board, is more often used instead of PCB.